Okay guys, today we're going to show you basic knife defense. This one we're doing is basically called strip and block. So he's going to block it, I'm going to strip it. Teaches me how to defeat his defense, and he's practicing, of course, his defense. But before you can proceed to that, the first step, you're going to practice the 4-count defense. So first is going to be right, cup it, left, left, right. So basic defense. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can do it also with the forward grip. And right, left, left, right. Right, left, left, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now he's gonna add some parrying. So right, left, or programming. Left, right. This one. This is the next step. Sorry. 1, 2. Left. First grip. Slow, so right hand, left, left, right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright guys, hope to see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you next time. Thank you.